Hi everyone! What we're gonna do today is, you probably noticed from the caption, is a Temu haul. My fiance gave me a chance to go on a shopping spree. So everything here, they had a huge sale, which I feel like they have a sale every day. So I always like click onto it and it has like 70% or 90%. At the time it was a 90% sale, and I spun the wheel and I got a coupon for 30% off. It was $30 off of a $100 purchase. So my fiance was like, okay, we'll just get it before I change my mind. So kind of went and took advantage of that and ordered some stuff that I've had my eye on. I recently started a plushie wall and it's missing some spots. It's bald in some spots, so I wanted to buy some things for that, and then kind of led into the rabbit hole of looking at other things. But let's get started. So let's start with the plushies. So they this all came in one package, so I'm going to show you right now. And it was like all crammed in. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, sorry, I've been taking off some little dusty musties, but she's a little Hello Kitty in a like snow onesie, and look at the little pom-pom in the back. She has her little scarf, little buttons. It says Sanrio license. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has a little tag in the back. But yes, she is going on my plushie wall. She's so cute. I love, actually I think this is my first, no, it's not. I have other plushies, but I like the pink blush that they put on them. I'm probably gonna post some like makeup stuff, and my favorite part of makeup is like slapping on a lot of blush, mostly orange blush, because I like the way that like corals and oranges and like tans look on my skin. But I also like her blush, super cute. I am a huge Hello Kitty fan. Like, Hello Kitty is my favorite character. She's just perfect and I look up to her. But I wanted to get some more things that were not her, even though this is the only other thing plushie related that's not Hello Kitty. But he's super cute. This is cinnamon roll. Let me take him out of the package. All right. Oh, it's so cute. It's like that. It's not like a super smooth plushie. It's like almost like a towel. Like if you were like looking at a baby towel. He's so cute. This little blush and his little curled tail. His cinnamon bun tail. And he has a little candy. So adorable. So this is gonna be a good addition to my wall. So this last plushie is the it girl herself, Hello Kitty. She's so cute. Her little overalls and her yellow shirt, very summer. This is another one from that same shop or brand, Egger, I don't know if you guys know how to say it. Good for you. But this is the tag, and it also has a Sanrio thing in the back. So this is license, and it has the same like Hello Kitty tag in the back. So super cute. She has like the faintest little blush on her. So cute. Right, so let's go into the other Sanrio thing. Actually, I'm gonna show you this. So I ordered this. It's a piggy bank, but it's a mini crane machine game. So I and my fiance love going to round one, and we like playing those games. A lot of my Hello Kitties that are on my plushie wall, we've won on those crane games. Now when we first started going, I was really good at it, and then it switched. So now he's really good at winning those plushies for me. So it doesn't really matter as long as one of us is winning. But yeah, this I think it comes with like the little directions. And let me just pull it out here. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, and she has a little teddy bear, and there's teddy bears in the back. For those of you that like Hello Kitty too, I mean, these bears are as iconic as she is. I don't know if this does anything, but here's a little slot where you'll put in your quarters or your coins. I don't know if there's a light to it. It doesn't look like there is. There's a light. Hold on. I'm trying to put this thing back on. So the button actually turns on a light in the back. Oh, it was working. Oh, there we go. So there's a cute little light. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here. Maybe put it on my stuff here or take it to work. Everybody at work knows me as a Hello Kitty girl, and so my entire desk is Hello Kitty. So they wouldn't be surprised to see this. The next things are gonna be pouches, and I am not the only one because I know there's a lot of people out there, but little cute bags, you just have to buy them. I used to go to Daiso a lot, and I used to see all these really cute Sanrio bags. I think I have one back here somewhere. Yeah, like things like that. There's absolutely nothing in there, but it's cute, and I have to have it. So, and it's cheap, so I bought it. But I got 2 pouches. The first one is this cute little like backpack. Well, yeah, it's a little, it's a little backpack. And it has a big zipper and a little zipper. Let me take it out. But this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, can you see it? Yeah. So cute. Has a little pillow. They had different options. I'll post up a picture. But all of these are functional. Sorry, I'm looking at the zipper. So cute with the little bowl. But you can put like your chapsticks here, or your erasers, or if it's for school stuff. I'm more than likely going to put like my feminine products in here and then just hold it in my purse. But there's a lot of space here. Nice long backpack. So cute. Again, maybe just like put in my pens and put it in my purse. My purse is a mess. If I used all the bags that I had to organize it, that'd still be a mess, but at least it'd be cute. But this is so cute inside. Has a little print there, a little baggie there. This would be good too for like the feminine products, or maybe your makeup, like your touch-up makeup that you put on for the rest of the day or whatnot. But it's so cute, like a little satin bow and like your lamb material, and this really cute like little charm. Doesn't have anything on there, it's just like a little gold charm, same thing as the zipper. I need a new laptop bag for work, and I feel like this one's gonna work out fine for it. Let me show you. It's so cute. It's cinnamon. Let me take it out. Yeah, I think my laptop's gonna fit in here. It might pop out a little bit. There it is. So cute. It has little plushies in the front. I don't know how clean I'm gonna be able to keep these, but or this. Well, I said these because look at these little guys. So cute. I can't stand it. But yeah, it's gonna fit here. No, I don't think it'll stick out. I think it'll be perfect. And you know what? The strap is long enough to where I can like put it on my shoulders if I want, or I can just hold it like I normally do, which is like this when I'm running into the office. But this is super cute. I'm so excited to take this to work so everyone can see how cute it is. But the other one is this bag here. Now this is just like the packaging bag, because the inside is the bag. Let me show you. Oh wow. There it is in all its glory. It's like a purple, blue, pink shift. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I just know that I wanted it. Let me just stretch it out so you can see. So yeah. Really cute. I guess I can use it as a laptop bag too. I just have to put it vertical. Yeah, vertical. A little snug on the shoulder thing. You know, if you're not plus size like me, maybe it'll be fine. I just have some thick arms, but super cute. I love the iridescent stuff. It's semi see-through, I guess. Well, yeah, you can see through it if you look at it closely, but the print is super cute. It's just Hello Kitty with some pancakes. It tells you right there, cupcakes, cherry soda. It has like cherry heart, so I love these two bags. Pins for your hair, or I guess you can use them for other things, but I got them for my hair. So I do my hair a lot with like two really like small pigtails, and I would like to embellish them with these cute little clips. Here they are out of the package. The next thing are these Sanrio stickers. They're not matte, they have like a glossy finish to them. But they're just like regular stickers, and they have so many. Look how thick this is. I have 2 little packs, and it's just a bunch of Sanrio characters. Here's the other packet of stickers that I also bought. These are not all Sanrio themed. There is a couple that have Sanrio characters, but it's very few. But the other ones are really cute. Just some random cute stuff. Look at that sandwich, that looks good. That I can embellish some of my stuff with. The other thing I got were these packs of pens. Super cute. Nothing too special. I think they're like black ink. I won't take them out of there. And then I bought some nail stuff, of course. This is the last 2 things that are going to be Sanrio related. I got some nail stickers. Ooh, it's so hard to focus on here. And some Tuxedo Sam. So some Pachaco, some Tuxedo Sam. And then I also got some that are not Sanrio related. Just some cute like chubby bunnies. And some bears with like some cookies and like M&Ms. I just thought they were super cute. And I need to do my nails, and sometimes I am impatient and I don't want to do my own nail art. So it's nice to just slap a sticker on. I did get some charms. I got these really cute little bowls and some cute little bubble cherries. And that's it for the nail stuff. I also got some makeup related things. Got these really cute little like heart sponges, you know, do your makeup. I have to touch up here because I am sweating. Yeah, really soft. But yeah, they're just, it's like a regular sponge with a thing in the back to put your finger through. It's a pack of 5. They're just aesthetically pleasing. Other beauty related, makeup related thing I got was this pack of glitter eyeshadow, eyeliner. They come packed like this. And I love glitter. I will put on glitter every day. Every day I have some type of shimmer or glitter on me, whether it be my blush, my lipstick, or lip gloss, or more than likely it's going to be my eyeshadow. But these are super cute. It's a good color. You have like your gold, your bronzy gold, silver, like a white gold, like an iridescent purple pink. This one's like a silver pink, and then like a pinky gold, and like a frost white. All really good shades. I'm gonna use them for sure. And then the last thing makeup related thing is this eyeshadow palette, and the only reason I got this is because it looks like the card captor cards. She is super cute. It has like the glitter on here, and then you just take it out, and it has the glitter on here too, and it opens like this. Oh, look at all those colors. I'm excited. It has a lot of glitters in there too. Okay. I think I have this upside down. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Alright. And the last thing are like house stuff. I've gotten tired of my bed, so I bought a new duvet, don't know how to say it, cover. Really cute flower and like strawberry pattern, but it comes with pillowcases too. I was under the impression that it was just going to be the duvet cover. Duvet. I don't know how to say it, but isn't this cute? Such a sweet little print. They are really soft, but they're more of like a linen, like a very soft linen. Not like your typical sheet that feel like a little bit cooler to the touch. So they might be too hot for the summer, but I'll try it. And if it's too hot, then I might have to wait until it gets a little bit cooler to use them. But yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, last thing are these pink little hook thingies that you put on your wall to hook like your broom or whatnot. Or you can even use them to like hook on, if you have like a hair tool that's thin enough, you can hook them onto your wall so they're not in your way in the door or something. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. It was a really long video. I apologize, but let me know in the comments if you recently purchased anything from Temu, and what you got. You can also leave me links to your Instagrams. I would love to see if you posted anything or if you have like the same likes that I do. You can follow me on Instagram as well. I'm on Polish and Sweets, same as my YouTube handle. But yeah, bye.